Hi, my name is Jacob. I used to come to the nation's needs, fighting wildfires all across the United States. Not anymore. I'm writing another chapter in this book called Life, exploring our planet and chasing the sun and reducing my environmental impact on all of our home, the earth, the planet. A few years back, I bought a 43-foot sailboat called Finisterra to do just that. Whatever the mind of man or woman can conceive, it can achieve, and you'll live life to the fullest if you take action. You can follow the journey and be part of this great adventure. Thanks for watching. Okay, just got to Catalina Island and just outside this little harbor. It's called Geigers, or I don't know, they call it little Geigers, but it's called Geigers. Anyways, it's a pretty calm anchorage. Looks like a few boats were bow and stern anchored last night. Got in like super early in the morning, like 4 in the morning, and I just woke up a little bit ago, had a cup of coffee, and yeah, just enjoying the nice weather. The water temperature is 71 degrees and the air temperature is 72 degrees, so really nice. Few hours sleep and back at it, making breakfast, but I wanted you guys to take a look at this beautiful anchorage. Check it out, it's pretty cool. So you can see, anchored outside of this little area here, and yeah, pretty nice, not too rolly. Finally getting some sun. The last few days it's been super overcast and not a lot of sun. My wind instrument up there was reading low battery, and I think it has to do with the lack of solar. It has a solar panel, a couple solar panels that charge the batteries. So last night I had no wind instruments, but there was no wind anyway, so we kind of motored most of the evening. But yeah, it's gorgeous here. Boat, and I'm gonna go for a little exercise this morning or afternoon. Yeah, a few mile run. back to Twin Harbors, and I'm gonna get dropped off just outside this cove right here, and then I'm gonna hike up that little trail over there, and then there's a road, and then that road leads all the way back to Twin Harbors. Warm up for my run. Straight uphill. Check it out, people. We're here. This is Catalina Island, and in a little place called Geiger's. And last night I threw out my trap, and this morning got up and check it out. Got a little lobster there. Not moving right now, but still alive. Just pulled him out of the water. Alright, so we went to Trader Joe's and got some food. It's probably the last Trader Joe's that I'm going to see for a long time. And so there's the bill. And I got some of my favorite burritos. I got pumpkin spice coffee. And can't forget the Kentucky whiskey. And look at this. Simpler times.
Yeah. The plane, boss, the plane.
All right, Jacob. All right, Thanks, Steve.
You're welcome, man.
See you later, Kimbo.
See you, man. Take care.
This guy's brought me to Precision
How much does the
Rafts.
DD up cost you on this one? Yeah. All right, Jacob. We'll pick you up when you're back from Cabo or wherever you're going to go, Italy.
Get your passport.
All right. Oh, absolutely. Get your passport.
You gotta have it.
You guys go.
You can't let us get back to work now.
Thanks a lot, man.
All right, buddy. At least we'll be looking. All right. See you guys.
So today I had to come on land to get a couple items. One is a life raft for Finisterra, and Steve came and dropped off my phone because I left it in his truck yesterday, and now we're at the Avalon Rafts, and these guys right here, they close for lunch, so remember that. From 12 to 1 they're not open, but now it's after 1 and we're gonna go in and get the life raft, so see how it goes.
So all 3 of these tests were done, and whatever else, all the info from the raft is right here.
And their canister charge, is that those tanks he's climbing back there?
We had to get an Uber from the life raft place, and now we're gonna get propane, and then the Uber driver's gonna take us back to the harbor. And then from the harbor, we're gonna go to Shelter Island, and we're gonna get some of the supplies that we've been wanting to get. So full day of trying to outfit the boat, get it ready for the next phase, which is going down to Mexico in the next looks like the weather window is Wednesday or Thursday, so looking forward to that. So exciting. Check-in in Ensenada is where we're going to check in at, so yeah. So it's really hard to find somebody that's willing to fill the propane bottle that I have. It's a fiberglass bottle, and it holds about 3 gallons of propane, and for some reason they don't want to fill it, so we got to find a place that'll fill it, and we're gonna go back to the harbor first. Okay, so here's all the boats in this little anchorage. It's just outside the real anchorage, but yeah. And there's one more back here behind me. Yes, we're heading south, and it's pretty amazing into Mexican waters. I wasn't expecting to be here this late, but it's pretty cool to be on our way.